cheating or not cheating? Is it cheating to still have an ex's photos on your phone? Yes.
Yes.
In a way, yeah.
In a way. We'll just say yes.
Having a close friend story you're not on.
Yeah. I would say so, because I mean, I know you don't really know what a close friend story is, but it's like hiding something from someone, so I think so. Cheating.
Having a private Instagram account you don't follow. Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Why would they not be able to follow it?
Mm-hmm.
You cheaters.